All right. Looking good, Boomer. Whoever that might be. Okay, so on that same guy, back to where we left off. Within the grading volume tools, you have this little button in the top right corner, which is automatically raise lower to balance volumes. So in there, we can put in a targeted volume. Typically on site grading, you may want a balanced volume. On this, we want to create a 4,000 yard stockpile. So we'll put in 4,000 yards. And that auto balances, as we see here. So it says raise the selection by 1.97 feet. So now if we do an ID on the top of that pad, the elevation is 58, 93, 97. Hopefully that was one of the answers. So just a real quick, easy way to check volumes. Really powerful for ponds. If you're ever designing a pond and you have a required storage volume in acre feet, turn that over to cubic yards, and then you can put that in as your required volume, and it'll tell you exactly what your water surface elevation needs to be in order to provide that required volume. When you do stuff like that, if this was a pond, imagine it inverted from what it is. Just create a simple shape polyline inside of there and make that your grading object and grade it out perfectly flat, representing your water surface, and that would grade out until it hits a pond surface. So you get creative with that automatic raise lower, and you can do some really slick stuff with it. If you're doing site grading,